Hello, I'm Sunny. The word of today is 用. In this video, I will teach you how to pronounce it, how to write it, and how to use it. First, let's read together. 我们一起读用 So, listen about. We know actually is final ion. Together, ion, 用 first time, 用 Okay, now let's write it. 我们一起写撇横折钩横横竖用 means use. Very useful words. I use toothbrush to brush my teeth. 我用牙刷刷牙。I use chopstick to eat. 我用筷子吃东西。That is about 用。Do you know how to use it? 你知道怎么用它了吗？ If you liked this video, please like and share to your friends. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.